So you're interested to do some CJ dropshipping on eBay, so you wanted to list some products from the CJ dropshipping directly into eBay. Let's see how we can do this. So hello and welcome to TechExpress, your guide to navigating the e-commerce world. Today, let's dive into how to list products on eBay from CJ Dropshipping. Whether you are new to dropshipping and looking to expand your product range on eBay, this tutorial will cover everything you need to know. So let's get started. Introduction to the CJ Dropshipping. First, let's talk about CJ Dropshipping. If you don't know what exactly is the CJ Dropshipping, this is a popular platform that offers products from dropshipping with the added benefit of warehouse and order fulfillment services. So CJ Dropshipping is known for its wide range of products and integration capabilities with major e-commerce platforms including eBay. So let's move on to set up your CJ Dropshipping account. To get started, you will need a CJ Dropshipping account. Head to the website and sign up for free. Into the upper side, you can always go into logged in or sign in. In our case, we have already signed up correctly. So once your account is set up, take some time to familiarize yourself with the dashboard and product catalog. Always go directly into the logo of the CJ Dropshipping so you can see all of the products they have to offer, so you can add this into eBay. If you wanted to choose in a specific category, you can always go into the upper side, look out for categories, and look how the best suits for you. They even have the actual section of the free store. They have the fulfillment 24, the fast shipping, and they do have the CJ Academy just in case you wanted to get started for free with professional courses that can help you start and scale up your actual business. Now let's integrate CJ Dropshipping with eBay. We wanted to have an actual eBay account. In order to continue to list products on eBay, you needed to integrate this CJ Dropshipping account with your eBay store. So this can typically be done throughout the CJ Dropshipping dashboard under the integration API section. You can always go here into the upper side, look out for authorization, and look out for eBay. You can always go into the upper side of your eBay store, go into sale, and create your eBay store. Usually when you have your eBay store, into the upper side you can see the name of your eBay account. If you wanted to copy this eBay, go directly into CJ Dropshipping. Remember that we chose the connection of eBay, so we wanted to go for add store. And here what you want to do is to go for agree and continue. If you have your eBay already been signed up, the authorization should be really easy and fast. Now, to ensure your product titles and descriptions are clear, detailed, and CEO friendly to attract potential buyers, first of all, let's try to look out for the product you wanted to add. Let's go into CJ Dropshipping, look out for one product, let's say for example this one, and hit into list. Once you have here the listed section, you wanted to go into the upper side, it says the store, and here you wanted to go and choose your eBay store. Choose eBay, and then here into the listing side, you wanted to go for the actual listing side. Here, let's go for US. And here there's a listing of 15 stuffed. So what you wanted to do is to not choose all of them, but only 15 to add into the listing. For example, let's say that I'm willing to sell this product, and your product should now be ready and listed inside eBay. Now, when you make a sale, CJ Dropshipping will handle the fulfillment. Your role is to ensure the order details are accurate and to monitor the shipping process. You can always go into CJ Dropshipping, go directly into My CJ, and once you are in here, you want to make sure that you have checked out the order section. Inside the order section, you can see the imported orders, the order fulfillment, disputes if any applies, the undelivered orders, and the order tracking. All of this information should be helping us to help with the customer support. Lastly, to succeed in dropshipping on eBay, focus on excellent customer services, regularly update your product listing, and stay informed about the trends into your custom niche. Remember that the good reputation on eBay can go a long way in building a sustainable dropshipping business. So with that's it, guys. You're now ready to list products on eBay from CJ Dropshipping. With the right approach and dedication, you can grow your eBay store into a thriving e-commerce business. If you find this video tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to TechExpress for more e-commerce insight. Have any questions of experience into CJ Dropshipping? You can drop them into the comments below. Thank you once again for watching the video. Happily to selling on eBay. We'll see you on the next time with more e-commerce tips and tricks.